بسم الله الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. Assalamu alaikum. Read the Quran the easy way. Lesson number 4B on letters with harakat. Let's start with prayer. Rabbi zidni ilma, which means, Oh Allah, increase me in knowledge. Fatha, Kasra, and Dhamma. Make sure to make your lips round while practicing Dhamma. Remember to move your hand for thick and high, and very thick and high letters while practicing, so that you won't forget their attributes. Let's start with the first letter, Sad. Remember, this is a very thick and high letter. We're going to repeat it 2 times. Sa, si, su, sa, si, su, sa, si, su. And it's twin, Lod, with a dot on top of it. La, li, lu, la, li, lu, la, li, lu. And the next letter, Wa. This is also a very thick and high letter. Repeat after me 2 times. Wa, li, lu, la, li, lu, la, li, lu. And this is its twin, La, with a dot on top of it. La, li, lu, la, li, lu, la, li, lu. And the next letter, Ayn. A, li, lu, a, li, lu, a, li, lu. Remember, Ayn comes in another form too. A, li, lu, a, li, lu, a, li, lu. And the next letter, it's twin line with a dot on top of it. Remember, this is a thick and high letter. Ra, ri, ru, ra, ri, ru, ra, ri, ru. Remember, Ayn, just like its twin Ayn, has another form too. Ra, ri, ru, ra, ri, ru, ra, ri, ru. MashaAllah. Let's move on. We're almost done. Fe, fi, fu, fe, fi, fu, fe, fi, fu. And it's twin, Qaf, with 2 dots on top of it. Remember, this is a thick and high letter. Qa, qi, fu, qa, qi, fu, qa, qi, fu. MashaAllah. Well done. We have come to the end of this lesson. May Allah help us to recite, understand, implement, and propagate this Quran. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.